Everyone, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Today we have made a traditional Kashmiri tea, Kashmiri pink tea as you call it, or noon chai. This tea is very different than the tea you make at home and it's very famous because of the pink color it gets. In this tea we add salt instead of sugar. So it's a healthy tea and it's very different. You should definitely try it. The ingredients used in this tea are the Kashmiri noon chai or tea, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Namkeen tea. You can get it at a supermarket. Then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I have used fresh dry fruits and cut them like pistachio and almonds. Then I have used a cup of milk, a cup of water, and for the garnishing I have again kept the dry fruits, chopped dry fruits. Now let's get started. Boil water on a burner and onto this add the tea. After adding the tea, let it again boil for 5 to 10 minutes. The tea will start leaving its color. Now you can see that I've kept it on the burner and it's boiling. When it's boiling, you should add then the baking soda. The baking soda is the main ingredient which gives the color to our pink tea. But you should be very careful while using it. If you will add more amount of the baking soda, you will get a darker pink color. So I've added the baking soda and it's boiling along with the namkeen tea or noon chai as we call it. Then let us wait for it to become dense and the color become darker. Here you can see the color has become dark black to brown, and now we will strain this tea because we don't need the leaves. We need the water of this, the water with the flavors. So I'll strain this. After straining, you can see that we have a dark black to dark brown water along with the flavors of the namkeen tea. Now we will add milk into this mixture. I have added 1 cup of milk, and while it's on a burner on a high flame, I will let it cook. Into this I will add the dry fruits and the salt and let it boil. In Kashmir we cook it for a longer time, but here I'm making it quickly, but it tastes equally good. So I'm cooking it on high flame for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and your tea is done. We serve it in a samovar here. It's a Kashmiri vessel made of copper, and I have garnished it with pistachio and almonds and served it in a cup of tea. You should definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching this video. Do comment, like and subscribe.